First one is your serial number, then name of the load, name of the load, then number of the load, number of load, then rating, rating of load, then total power consumed in kilowatt, total power consumed in kilowatt, then working hour, hours per day, then energy consumed, energy consumed in kilowatt hour. First one is your lamp. Serial number is 1 is lamp. Number of lamp is 3. So it is 3. Then rating of the load, rating is 60 watt. So it is 60 watt. Total power consumed in kilowatt. Total power consumed means each is 60 watt, 3 numbers. So 3 into 60 divided by kilowatt means 1000. Then working hour, working is daily 5 hours, 5 hours. So it is 3 into 60 into 5 divided by 1000. Then next one is your fluorescent tube. Fluorescent tube. It is 2 numbers. Then rating of the fluorescent tube is 40 watt. 40 watt. Then total power consumption is 2 each is 40. 2 into 40. 2 into 40 divided by kilowatt. So it is 1000. Then working hour is 4 hours. So total is 2 into 40. Hours is 4 divided by 1000. Then your load is fan load. Third number is fan. Number of fan is 4. Rating of the load is 75 watt. Each fan rating is 75 watt. Then total power consumption is 4 into 75 in kilowatt. So it is 1000. Working hours 10 hours. 10 hours for 10. So the energy consumption is 4 into 75 into 10 divided by 1000. Then your electric heater. One is electric heater. Electric heater. Number of is 1 number. Then rating is 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt 1000 watt. So total power consumption is 1 into 1000 divided by 1000. Working hour is 2 hours. So it is 1 into 1000 into 2 divided by 1000. First one is your, it is 0.9. This one is 3.2, sorry 0.32. This one is your 2. So total is 2 kilowatt hour. So 1 kilowatt hour is 1 unit. So total unit is total energy consumed. Total energy consumed in a day is 6.22 kilowatt hour, or the question is given that 30 days, in a month of 30 days. So total energy in a month of 30 days is 6.22 into 30, 186.6 unit in a month. So total energy consumption in a month is 186.6 unit. So for per unit is 2.5 rupees. So total cost for this consumption equal to unit cost is 2.5 into 186.6 is equal to 4466.50 rupees. So this is the answer. So आमे केते करिया 466.5 rupees paid करिया electricity board को for this consumption of for this month of 30 days. Next then number of loads. Next power consumed in watt. Next is power consumed in kilowatt. Then hours, working hours. Next one is total energy consumed in a day. First one is bulbs. Number of bulbs is 3. Power each bulb is 100 watt. So the power consumed is 3 into 100 divided in kilowatt. So divided by 1000. 3 into 100. The question is given 6 hours. So 6 total energy is 3 into 100 into 6 divided by. Next load is tube lights. Number of tube lights is then 40 watt each. So power consumed is then number 3 is fans. Number of fans is 5, each of 60 watt. Power consumed is working hour is 6. So 5 into 60 into 6 divided by. And next load is heater, electric heater. Power rating is 1500 watt. Power consumed in kilowatt. 1 into 1500 divided by 1000. Duration of is 6 hours. So total power consumed is 1 into 1500 into 6 divided by 1000. The last one is number of motor is 1. Power rating is previously calculated. It is 250 into 2 into 0.6 divided by 1000. It is 300 watts. 300 into 1000. So hours is 6. Then 300 into 6 divided by 1000 equal to first one is 1.8,
this one is 0.968, this one is 9, 1.18. So total is 15.36 kilowatt hour, or it is 15.36 total power consumed in the month of February 2016, equal to 2016 February is 29 days, so 15.36 into 29, 44 unit. So total cost for this consumption equal to per unit is 4 rupees. So